Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the impressive features of the BAUSATZ Air Sander. A mini pneumatic sander perfect for car bodywork, high-speed polishing, and versatile enough for use on metal, plastic, wood, marble, and Corian surfaces. This belt sander is your go-to tool for belt sanding, removing weld and rust spots from metalwork, deburring furniture, mold making, and automotive polishing and detailing. Its square sanding head makes it easier to tackle corner sanding points, ensuring full coverage for a smooth finish. The push switch is designed for easy, fast, and comfortable use, enhancing work efficiency and reducing fatigue even during long-term use, making it ideal for irregular sanding tasks. With an ergonomic body that fits comfortably in your palm, this sander boasts a free speed of up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, offering high power and efficiency for shorter working times. Included in the package, you'll find the air sander itself, 2 square pile chassis, a pile film, a white steel sheet with adhesive, and 2 20-inch sandpapers, providing everything you need for a comprehensive sanding experience. So, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the BAUSATZ Air Sander is engineered to deliver high performance and precision in every project. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.